friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about our goals for 2021 slash the future. So if you want to see what my goals are, then stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share this video with all of your friends. I want to know everybody's plans for the new year, because this year is literally like the most depressing year that we've ever had, and I know like we are over it. We need some good news. So let's just hear all the goals that you guys have planned for the future, and I'm going to share mine with you. So my goals have not changed at all. I think almost a year ago I created this that you guys see here, and these were my goals for 2020. Clearly a lot of those things didn't happen, but a lot of those things did happen. Okay, so the first thing that I have is hit 5,000 followers on Instagram. That didn't happen. So my goal for 2021 is hit at least, I don't know, 3,500, between 3,500 and 4,000. Like, that's a more realistic goal. Maybe not, but you know, I grew so slow. It's just really hard to upload every single day and have content every single day, especially when you are still trying to find yourself in this whole like blogging influencer world. We're just taking it super slow, and I'm gonna try to do 3,500 at least. The next one I have is reading my Jesus Calling book, my 100 Moments with God, and then my 100 Days to Brave. Now, I was okay at picking these books up almost every single day, but not really getting into them and, you know, taking that time for myself, which I feel like I really do need it. So those are still going to be my it books to open up every single night. The tattoo is something that I've always wanted, but I am so terrified because I do have really sensitive skin. Like, I show up on stories and, you know, be like, y'all, I don't even know how this happened, and like I have a breakout all of a sudden, you know. So if I just break out of nowhere, I don't want to know what will happen if I get a tattoo. The next one is studying and graduating, and I finally am able to say that yes, I accomplished that. I graduated with my teaching certification, and I have a bachelor's degree. I can do a whole story time if you want to, because I did go to school online, and so that might be helpful for some of you. Maybe not, I don't know, but if you guys are interested, then go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Another one was spend time with my kiddos and my family. Well, we did that a lot in 2020, and honestly it wasn't the best because we got into really bad habits, and I want to break that now. Instead of spending so much time with my family, I want to make new friends, make mommy friends, you know, have play dates, kind of like have people there that are just not us four, you know. So that's something that I want to do. Okay, the next one, the blog. I am so ashamed of myself. Like, I can count with probably like one hand how many times I uploaded to this thing, and that is very shameful. Like, I know that I'm better than that. I know that I'm more than capable of bringing all of these blog posts to you guys. I just don't do it because, one, I am too much of a procrastinator. Two, I am too much of a perfectionist. And three, I know how I want to present the information, but I don't know how to execute it, if that makes sense. I need my brain to get on focus mode so that I can actually get all this out for you guys, because I know that I have potential. I know that I can do this. I just don't believe it. I don't know, like you know, you can do something, you're too afraid to go for it. That's me, and I need to let that go. YouTube, 1,000 subscribers. No, I'm nowhere near that, but I would be so stinking happy if I finished 2020 with 500 subscribers. Like, that would pretty much make my entire year. So please share these videos with your friends, with your family. Make sure they subscribe. I really enjoy this. I really enjoy talking to you guys, meeting you guys, and I don't know, like, that is something that I knew that I know that I'm capable of doing, and I feel natural at it, and I feel like I'm really good at it. I just don't do anything to develop that. Shame on you, because you know that you can do it. You just don't do it. The fashion. Okay, now this is something that I actually kind of got better at. I uploaded a video of like how to wear faux leather leggings. I uploaded a haul video with some looks. Finding clothing pieces that actually made me feel good is something that I'm really looking forward to. Next thing, the weight gain. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. I don't think my body is there. I don't think I am capable of gaining weight unless it's through the years, because I honestly kept track of everything that I ate. I kept track of my calories. I ate more than what I should have, more calories than what I should have. I was counting and that was getting so exhausting, and I just finally like left it. I'm just gonna eat what I want to eat and just find clothes that actually fit, which is the challenge. All right, next I have becoming a makeup artist and having makeup classes. That's not something that's going to happen anytime soon, and I'm fine with that. I know that's something we're looking forward in the future, and yeah, we'll see when that actually happens, and if it even happens. And then last but not least is decorating our home and, you know, putting some effort into some places, which we were going to do in 2020. We were going to start painting and we were going to start doing all of this, but we looked at our finances and we realized that we're so close to finishing off loans and bills and all that stuff that we want to finish that first and then get into the whole painting and removing the carpet, installing floors. I think our home is fine. It just really needs a paint job and floor. So yeah, that is it for today's video, you guys. I really want to keep on posting for you. I really want to put in more effort into this whole platform. And I know that I am capable of it. I know that I have the talent for it. Like, I need to get out of that mentality and like really, really put a lot of effort into this and get that switch on my brain, because I really do enjoy it. It's so fun. It's like really cool. So that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification so you get notified every single time I upload a video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.